Hi everybody, it's Moose Stitch, Cross Stitch here. I'm Maureen and this is a wee video. I have started now I've got my pajamas on and it's actually 5 to 7 in our first the Wednesday morning, the 27th of March 2024. I love it really up. My dog's birthday today, he's 6, so he's sleeping now, so just leave him there. So I've started the Easter cross stitch now, so I'll show you. This is what I started. I'm doing some of the now. I don't know if you can see it. I'm doing something now. It's part of my. It's the part of the numbers that's been drawn for the whip go. It says 18 and 21 because this is my number 18. Well, it wasn't really, but my number 18 was actually an autumn sampler, but I'm not doing autumn now because it's just spring. It's coming to Easter on Sunday, so I've got another. My number 21 is try to think. Can you think what number 21 is? Oh, my 5D. I have to do 5D for 21. So that'd be an Easter ID 5D. So and I'm watching Laura Nutella. She showed me our new new arrivals. I've got a lot of new arrivals as well. I'll show you later on. I have to show you the now, but let's see if I can get them. Right, I've got 3, 4, 5 different things come in. This kit come in. I've not got it open yet, so there'll be a wee unbagging. Here's the picture. The tarot cards. Black cat with tarot cards. This product is these come from China. Yep, just to tell you. What does it tell me? 11 count. 11 count. Here's the canvas. It's very. I could see mostly it. I got this from Temu. Oh, I think I got it from Temu. No, I think I got it to Tapestry Market. That's where I got it to. And here's all the spreads. I don't want to keep them out, so they're more in their finger. How many colours they got? Oh, it's not telling it. That's a poo-poo. Oh, it'll tell you here. It's got, just say about 38 colours. Another one I got is the same, but it's a black cat. Another black cat. New in this velvet. Black cat and velvet and books. And here's the canvas. It's not that big. Another one. It's got 34 colours. These colours here. I need to get them sorted into a thing. There. So black and grey and gold. So that's that one. And another wee one I got is, it's no thing weight, it's like a wee cushion. Take you into the light. Make it there. It's like a wee cushion and you stuff it. You stitch it and then you stuff it. Oh. That's one of my new ones that's come in. I've been getting a lot of new ones. See that? You seen that? You can do it in other places. What else have I got in? I've got this wee thing. A wee pincushion thing. And you can put your stuff in. I've got a lot of them, so I can put them in my cross stitching kits. A couple of them. One of them thread holders. I got some of this for £15, so needle threaders and needles. Oh, I think I've got some of it for £15. A box here. I think what I've got with the box is I've got that. I've got them. I've got that. And some. It was actually a kit, cross stitching tail kit. So I'm off of £15. So that's my wee hood thing, or hill thing, what you call it. Oh, it's raining here in Scotland. We didn't do here, but see, America's got lot of rain, storms. So all this week I'm going to be doing this one. Get it finished for Sunday. I've actually done, see, about 400 stitches on that rabbit yesterday. And I've nearly caught up with a book, with a journal thing in my book. March. I've nearly got 10 points marked in the book. Hold on. I've got 2 finishes so far. I've got 1, 2, another 9 other stitches. 410 points. And I've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See about 12 full stitch board bin, but I've only got to do most of that. So, and I'll do this as my stitch point, as my whip go for the end of the week. It's actually a new start, but I've got me a new stairs. I've got about 7 or 8 stairs now. Whip goes. So that's just a wee video, early morning video of me. Oh, alright people, it's too early in the morning for me. So I'll speak to you later if I come back on, right? So ta-ta. And no, if you like this video, give me thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. I see I've got 1 new subscriber, and thanks for the views from the last video. That was another new one, so I might try and do some of the new ones soon. So, or I might try and do counted cross stitch as well, because I think you're all getting fed up of me doing printed stuff. So I'll speak to you soon. Thanks for any new subscribers. Welcome any new subscribers. Thanks for the recent ones that's come back to join. And I'll speak to you soon. So bye bye.